Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iPhone battery health draining too fast 2024. So firstly, let's go to the settings first. Now scroll down, then you'll find here battery. Click on battery. Now you can see here low power mode option, which is disabled. Okay, if you find this enable, make sure you are disabling this, because when your battery is full charged or more than 50%, and if you are using low power mode, then your battery might be damaged or harmful for your battery. Okay, so disable this low power mode. Now go to the next step. The next step is you have to go to this settings again, and you have to go to this battery. Click on battery. Then you'll find here this service battery health and chain charging. Click on this. Then you'll find here this optimized battery charging. Make sure turn this on, optimized battery charging. After that, if you find this turn off, okay, make sure turn this on. Okay, make sure turn this on. Then go to the next step. The next step is I will recommend you to use authentic charger. Don't use third-party mobile charger, it may damage your battery, so don't use it. And the last option is you have to not using phone while charging. So don't use your phone while you are charging, it will harmful for your battery. Okay, so that's it guys. So this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.